Welcome to Thesis Help Center. Today, we're talking about optimizing your sustainability performance assessments, brought to you by the Sustainability Consortium. First, you should establish context by asking yourself a few questions. Who previously managed your thesis assessment process, or any other internal or external sustainability performance evaluation or reporting? Do you currently have access to that information? If not, who does? What data was shared in your last reporting cycle, and where can you find your assessment results? Have any actions been taken to improve? How was that data collected, and was the process efficient? Is there a way to design or update this process so that data can be collected year-round? Next, you'll want to review your current portfolio of products. Are there any new products or discontinued items? Do you have any new customers? THESIS enables you to simultaneously share your assessment results with all your participating customers. So be sure to take note of which products are sold to which customers. Now, reflect on your historical performance. Identify where year-over-year improvements exist. Are there any life cycle trends in areas of strengths and weaknesses? Where do data gaps exist? These types of insights will help you determine the most efficient approach to completing your thesis assessment. Once you have this product and performance landscape, you're ready to organize your data collection needs. First, list your products or SKUs that are included in each category level assessment. Take note of key performance indicators, KPIs, that overlap across assessments. List out all your suppliers and facilities, including contract-owned. Next, segment and map your primary contacts according to who has data for which KPI. Taking the time to do this prep work will reduce the number of times you have to go back to the same contact for similar information within or across assessments. For example, you may have multiple assessments that all require data on the water use from the same manufacturing site. By being prepared, you'll save time and effort by you and that facility's operation manager. Now that you've done the prep work, you're ready to collect your data. There are multiple ways to do so. To be as efficient as possible, we recommend one of the following three. You can download and use TSC's Excel-based KPI sets from your assessment cover page. Or you can hire a TSC trained service provider to expertly collect, aggregate, and even calculate your data. These sustainability professionals are independent of TSC. They have undergone trainings to be as familiar with THESIS methodology as TSC staff and members. You can learn more at sustainabilityconsortium.org. One of the many reasons THESIS is powered by SupplyShift is their ability to help companies like yours communicate with their upstream suppliers. Visit supply-shift.net to learn more about their upstream data collection program. Step 5. Once you've collected your data, it's important to take the time to validate it before aggregating and calculating. You're looking for any errors. One approach is to identify outliers, good or bad. Be sure to leave plenty of time to follow up with your facilities and suppliers to receive corrections. Step 6. Calculate your results. Every THESIS KPI has unique guidance. The most useful section of this is the calculation and scope, where you will find detailed instructions on how to calculate your KPI response. Any relevant certifications, standards, and tools that will help you perform those calculations will be referenced in the guidance. TSC has created Excel-based calculation tools for a number of more complex KPIs. These tools include tables, built-in formulas, step-by-step instructions, and basic error detection. Go to your assessments cover page to access these tools. Upon completing your THESIS Sustainability Performance Assessment, you are ready to share with your participating customers. THESIS on SupplyShift enables you to share simultaneously with all your participating customers upon completion. Or you can choose to wait until a specific customer has requested your data. Simply log back into your account and add that customer to the recipient list. And most importantly, utilize your results. Your thesis scorecard is full of information designed to help you create more sustainable consumer goods. Understanding how you compare to your peers per retailer and across thesis. Review key action recommendations based on your performance. Assess how you're doing in current priority areas for you and for your customers. Reference TSC's improvement opportunities to help you set or refine your SMART goals. And don't forget to explore options for immediate return on an investment, like reduced trade financing. Okay, pop quiz. What is the first step to optimizing your sustainability performance assessment? Is it picking a process for data collection, establishing context of your thesis assessment, organizing your data collection needs, or reviewing past submissions? That's right, it's establishing the context of your assessment. TSC recommends you first understand the who, what, and how of your data collection needs. So for a recap, establish your context, review past submissions, organize your data collection needs, then pick the most efficient data collection process. Once you've collected your sustainability performance data, you're ready to validate your data. Then you can calculate your results and finally share with your customers and use your scorecard to become a market leader in sustainability. If you want to dive deeper into these tips, visit the webpage below to download TSC's free guide. Thank you for working with THESIS to use the best sustainability science to help companies make the everyday products we all use better and more sustainable.